Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I hate to be the guy that does the whole long introduction to the videos. Normally I'm just like, hey dude, get to the point. I want to see what you're doing. And Victoria hates it as well. And so, but it's been a while since we've spoken about the van build and where we're at. I kind of want to say just stay with us throughout this whole introduction because I do have a lot to say. And first of all, we just got done with the COVID thing. We did have a death in the family with the whole COVID deal, and you know, and it's just something that just kind of sucked for everything, and really unexpected, and really kind of, you know, we had to deal with that. We had to go out of town and just deal with all that stuff. So it just wasn't a fun time for us, and kind of getting back into the groove of things has been a little bit harder than we thought it would have been. Yeah, that's what I'm going to say about that. Second of all, our restroom, we didn't like the way our restroom came out. Originally we put the tiles on there, the tiles were popping up. We didn't like it, so we're doing the floor again. I don't know what I'm doing just yet, because what we want to do is have a wall-less shower where we don't have walls in our shower, mainly because we're really not going to use it that much because we have a gym membership, and so we will use the showers there. We just want to have a shower just in case we're out in Utah or something and there's really nowhere to get around a shower. So so with that being said, I don't want it to have a space in there with a shower that's really not going to be used that much. And so we do have a toilet space for it as well that's kind of hidden and out of the way as well. So we rather use that space for Samson, for him to sleep in, or for us to come in and out of the truck in and do what we got to do. But yeah, so with that, we just wanted to have a hidden shower, kind of something where it's there but it's not there. Third of all, can't buy a shower drain or a shower pan because it's custom made. So I'm gonna have to custom make a shower pan, and the way I'm gonna do that is by using Flex Seal. I've seen a few people do it. Some came out real sloppy, some came out really nice, and so I'm hoping to do it correctly so that it can come out really nice and have a shower pan that way. Last thing I wanted to say is that this is going to be the last major project that we have for the truck. So with that said, we're gonna try to transition our channel, our YouTube channel, from building to traveling now. We do have some trips lined up, we do have some things lined up, and we just yeah, we want to try to transition everything to traveling. If y'all want to see more of our builds, y'all can just go to our previous videos and watch some of the stuff that we've done. But yeah, I mean, we want to try to transition it out there to going traveling. We want to visit up north before winter comes and try to go up there with some friends and visit some friends out there. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to inside of Home Depot, and I'm going to get some materials, and so I can get this going, go back to where the apartment is at, and start working on that. So I'm not going to film inside Home Depot because every time I film in there they tell me to turn off the camera. And so yeah, so I'm just gonna go in there, get some materials, go out there, and I'll catch up with y'all in a bit, guys. So check it out. Okay, so before we get started on this restroom floor, I just wanted to tell you guys, I was show you guys where we're at. Let me show you this video. I took this video with my camera phone, camera phone. I don't know, whatever. But if you can see what we did, we put a lot of shimmies down on that area. We pulled out the wood a couple of days ago, but we put a lot of shimmies down in that area to kind of flow to where I wanted the drain to go, or the water to drain to go. And so and then we put the floor wood subfloor on top of that, and that's gonna be where we're gonna make our shower pan on top of that type of flooring. And yeah, so I tested it out with the golf ball, and the floor that we were on originally, or the ground that we were on, wasn't leveled. But with the golf ball, I tested it out, and it rolled down to I tried every single section, and it rolled down to where the drain was at. So that's exactly what I wanted to happen. That's exactly what I needed to happen. Even with the ground that wasn't leveled, it was still flowing right down the middle. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna put trimming around it to make it a little bit lifted a little bit higher so that the water won't go into the truck. And then what we're gonna do is put that in there, and then we're gonna put some Flex Seal on there, the first coat. And so that way we can let that dry overnight, and tomorrow I'll do it again, and that will be our shower pan. So yeah, so check this out. We're gonna go ahead and get this started, but check it out. Yeah. All right, so you can see here's the floor. We had the restroom all with this tile on the floor, and like I said, it was popping up. And so you hear the cows. There's a cow right there. And so yeah, so we put this floor in yesterday, put a lot more shimmies down, we liquid noted, and this is way more secure now. And so yeah, so that's what the shower is going to be. And then we're going to put the Flex Seal on here, and I'm going to put a trim around all of this area, and then make this into a hidden shower. So let's get this going. Okay, so as you can see, we put the wood in, we caulked everything. Let me show you real quick. We made caulkings on everything. This is going to be the lip. There's transitional part. And so right now, what we're going to do is we're going to do the Flex Seal. We're going to try to customize the shower pan so that way we can, again, since I couldn't find one, I'm gonna have to customize it now. So yeah, so check this out. We're gonna put the Flex Seal in there. Right now we're looking for a brush, but yeah, so let me go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and get that done.